viewers, welcome to my maths class. Today I am going to explain that 9th class first chapter real numbers exercise 1.4, that's fifth problem. Rationalize the denominators of the following problems. So how it will be? First one is 1 by 3 plus root 2. So here the denominator is 3 plus root 2. We have to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, we need to find the rationalizing factor for the given denominator. So that rationalizing factor means, so by which number we are multiplying with the given denominator to get the rational number. That is called as the rationalizing factor. So here the rationalizing factor for the given denominator 3 plus root 2 is 3 minus root 2. So 3 minus root 2. Then multiply and divide with this rationalizing factor. RF means here rationalizing factor. So 1 by 3 plus root 2 is equals to into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Why? Because the rationalizing factor for the denominator is 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2. So multiply with 3 minus root 2 into 1, 3 minus root 2, 3 plus root 2 into 3 minus root 2. So if you observe that the numerator it is 1 into something only. But in the denominator, this is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. So a square, 3 square minus b square means root 2 whole square. Here square and square root will get cancelled. So then 3 minus root 2 by. So 3 square means 9 minus here only 2 will be left. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. So this is the first problem solution. Rationalizing the denominator. Now what is the second problem? So 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is what? Root 7 plus root 6. This is the conjugate of the given number also. So rationalizing factor. Multiply and divide with this rationalizing factor for the rationalizing the denominator. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6, it can be written as 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into, so multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. So multiply root 7 into 1, root 7 plus root 6 into 1 root 6. So this is a minus b to a plus b. Again the formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So root 7 whole square means square root cancel, and here is also square root cancel. Then what will be left? 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6 value is how much? 1. So final answer is root 7 plus root 6 by 1 means root 7 plus root 6 only. So these are the first and second problems. So now the third problem and the fourth problem we will see. Okay, next third problem. So 1 by root 7. So the rationalizing factor of root 7 is root 7 only. Why? Because if you multiply with the root 7 into root 7, root 49. Root 49 value is 7. That is a rational number. So here the rationalizing factor for the root 7 is root 7. So multiply and divide with this root 7 or rationalizing factor. So 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. 1 into root 7, root 7. Root 7 into root 7, root 49. And root 49 can be written as again 7. So the final answer is root 7 by 7. This is the rationalizing the denominator of the 1 by root 7 answer. And next the last problem of this question. So fourth one is root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. So here we have to do only the rationalizing factor for the denominator only. No need to do for the numerator. So rationalizing factor of root 3 minus root 2. Here the denominator is root 3 plus root 2. And multiply and divide with the rationalizing factor. What you will get? Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2 into root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. So by multiplying, see root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by, so here it is in the form of a minus b and it is a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is equals to what? A square minus b square. A value root 3 whole square minus b value root 2 whole square. Square and root both are cancelled. Here root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by, here 3 minus 2 only will be left. So by cancelling the square root and square. And finally 3 minus 2 is equals to what? Answer 1. And finally root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2. So root 6 into root 3 means root of 6 into 3, that is root 18, plus root 6 into root 2, that is root of 6 into 2, root 12. So by 1 means no need to write. So now this root 18, for our convenience we can write it as what? Root 9 into root 2. So plus this root 12 can be written as root 4 into root 3. Because why? Because so root 9 can be written as the 3. So 3 root 2 plus root 4 can be written as a 2 root 3. This is also the root 2 root 6 of root 3 plus root 2 answer is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 also we can write. So I hope you understand. So these are the fifth question answers. Okay. Thank you very much.